guys, welcome back to my channel Pro the Fixer. Today I'm going to show you how to add an intro video using Canva. First, in the search bar, you have to type Canva. C-A, I'll show you now there. So yeah, we are over here. So then we are going to type video intros. Then I'm just gonna find one and then I'll let you know. So see here. Okay, so I found the one which I want. I'm just gonna click this. Then what is that? Then yeah, okay. Here you can type. I'll type it and I'll show you later. Wait. So see you back after a few minutes. Okay, so I'm over here. So then you can I upload anything from here. So see how it is. Nice? Yeah, it's really nice. So then I'm just gonna click over here, press down, and I'll tell you when it's downloaded. So see ya in some time. Okay, so then you can go to VHDC and then you can add everything. Then you have to press blank project and then finish. Then you can just add it using that, and then you can put in the video over here which you want in the song and all stuff. So this is how you add, how you make intro for your videos on Canva. Signing out. This is Pro the Fixer and I'm signing out. Oh, I forgot to say, remember to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will get amazing notifications from the channel Pro the Fixer.